Yo, good morning.
Hi,
What's happening? Mom and I are here. I don't know, Mom. I tell you, I keep having all these cuts on my body. It's so weird. You thought I was joking? It's like weird. Like I'll wake up with like random cuts on me. What's happening? So anyways, it's hot today. So we're here. Did it rain all night last night? So we're here. Mom and I. Mom's right here. Right here. She just went to market. I didn't go because look at my head. It looks crazy. I'm gonna go get braids and my hair washed. When am I gonna go? Monday?
Tuesday.
But I have to go get my hair washed.
Monday.
Cintra's gonna be there? You know she's a hot girl in a hot world.
Maybe can't see place Wednesday, no. Maybe if you can't schedule to cook for me and the boy run a liter.
So, Mom just got June plum for me.
Tell him.
I didn't even know it was June plum time. Why is there? We're gonna eat coconut. We're gonna be at the house all day today until I get my hair braided. Y'all, I have not done anything today. Not one thing. It's so hot. My hair looks. What does my hair look like?
Moped.
Mom said my hair looks like a moped. Mom cooked. Mom cooked a boiled breadfruit.
Yam.
What kind of yam is this?
Sweet yam.
Sweet yam and mackerel. Guys, you guys have to try this juice. It is so good. The solo pear. They have pear and apple. Pear and apple, mommy? That's it?
Yeah.
Just pear and apple, but the pear one is fire. Try it and let me know. Tag me, because I know this juice is fire, okay? Literally fire. I cannot wait to get my hair braided so I can stop looking like Delzita. I'm about to eat. It's so hot.
What number song comes straight up?
Me? For what reason? I don't like how the dogs are looking at me like a... So guys, we are here. We're opening coconuts. We have a coconut opener. Let me show you. It's on my website if you guys want a coconut opener. But basically what you do is you take off. Hold on, mommy. My God, mom is. So you take off this part. You like, yeah. Yeah. And then you push it down.
Screw it round.
I just pulled my belly. Yeah. It's easy.
1, 2, 3. It's all open.
And look, I didn't even catch it because mom opened it in 2 seconds. Sweet, let me try it.
Sweet. It's frozen. It's frozen. Like a frozen. I feel want this.
It's for the house, huh?
Oscar is coconut. I feel.
It's easy, right? Is there more water in there? Mm-hmm. Let me drink it. Mom said my head's frozen. I sweat in my head.
Wally, for me.
How to use it? No, I don't want you to embarrass me no more. Yo, I'm getting my hair washed on thing. I sweat in my head. That's why. Okay, I literally washed my hair right before I came here. Okay.
That's what I've got here.
Why can't I cut my hair? Mom, I really like the short hairstyle. Wash and go. Guys, oh, and look, this is how the coconuts open. It's super easy, right, mommy?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. It's on my website. The I think it's the cocoa opener. I called it. Y'all, it is a chill day, right, mommy?
Huh?
It's a chill day. Dang, mom said my hair's frowsy. You see all the glue in my hair? Don't worry, it's gonna be braided. I hope the braids fit me. Okay? If it's like parted weird, it can make you look. I'm about to shower after this. I'm gonna do it this hot. We're walking out. Where are we walking to?
My phone card.
Y'all should see this outfit. Look at this. This with this.
I'm at told them.
So why you have to say it so loud for everybody to hear? These are my mom's clothes, okay? And we're hanging out. You want to tell the people a story?
No, today.
Today's a very chill. What is it?
Nickel.
What is that?
Don't touch your joke.
What is it?
When you put it in your purse, so you get money. Make you have money, you're lucky. Let me come and pick one deal. You put it in your purse.
My God, today. I say money must come to me this year. Y'all, it's a chill day. I wasn't gonna even vlog today, but mom said let's walk out. So I'm like, you know what? Maybe I can have like a little vlog for y'all. You're going back? We're right here. Is that Sketta?
Yeah.
He used to be so cool. Now he's a creep. He's such a creep. What is this with money right here? A bag full of money. I would bring it to the police station and drop it off.
You say where you go reach a police station?
I walk back. I know where the police station is.
Are you not 2 foot hand broke?
Y'all, if y'all found a bag of money, what would you do? Would you drop it off at the
drop off in my bank. In my account.
If y'all found a bag of money, would y'all drop it off at the bank, or would y'all bring it to the police? And be a citizen, a good citizen? I'm gonna drop it off at the police.
Drop off in my account in my bank. Police shall take you and kick me in my body.
Oh my gosh.
I grew up in a place called some city, Spanish town groovy. When we play a murderation, hey. Well, me say, oh, them a go on like said and I rate the king. What them a do? Me say, oh, them a go on like said and I rate the king. What me go do? Rise the ark of the covenant with the cherubim. What me go do? Tell some artists watch the songs where them a sing. What them go do? Grab the mic and announce this song kissing. What me go do? Sing some songs of praises and thanksgiving in at the tabernacle. Some city, Spanish town groovy. When we play a murderation, hey. Well, me say, oh, them a go on like said and I rate the king. What them a do? Me say, oh, them a go on like said and I rate the king. What me go do? Rise the ark of the covenant with the cherubim. What me go do? Tell some artists watch the songs where them a sing.
I feel like I'm going to basic school all over again. But I'm getting my hair braided tomorrow, so my hair is not itching me. She washed it. So how much is it gonna cost? Yo, so mom just did my hair. They're about to go run errands. I ain't going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere with my basic school hairstyle. Okay. I'm gonna get my hair braided tomorrow at 9 something. I cannot wait. I hope they look okay.
I can't ride it out.
How are you? Where are you? Ah!
People like to man pick me.
Me? I don't look like a white woman pick me. Did you pick up the wrong baby at the hospital? Guys, my grandma's here.
That's why you're wrong, so.
Grandma, where are you going? To the army? You didn't see them riding in the tank to hop on when you were out there? Let me let you say hi to Delzita. She cooked oxtail and rest in peace for her husband yesterday.
No. Oh, what a minute.
Butter beans.
When does it cook? So. You the one.
Yeah, she's a wife. Oh, you all right?
I'm pretty.
You thirsty? You want something to drink? What do you want, a juice?
Are you juice? Everything you give me?
No. And if it was, what's wrong with it? My mama is here.
Okay, I'll open it.
Hot today, mama. Hot.
Hot? I'll tell them hot. Cool, reasonable.
Yeah. Y'all, my grandma just came, but then she had to leave because she had to go give like the workmen some some tool or something. So she left, but she's gonna come back. She has like her doctor. She has to go see her doctor tomorrow. So she said she'll come see me when I'm getting my hair braided. I hope the braids fit me. I'm gonna get them super long and jet black. I think that will look really nice. And then I'm probably gonna stay with my grandma a few days. When we go up on Wednesday, I probably won't come down and spend a few days at her house. So yeah, I feel like I'm in basic school. I just need like the little bubbles. The bubbles on my hair. But yeah, mom's about to go run errands. I'm not gonna go, it's so hot. And our friend Conroy just stopped by. I didn't put him on camera. And yeah, nothing really happening. Mom's just gonna be running a whole bunch of errands. Mommy?